So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable or disable NSFW filter on Reddit. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open the Reddit application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. So let me just go ahead and log in real quick. And once I've logged in into my account, so let's just go ahead and wait for it a little bit. And finally, all you need to do is click on the profile icon just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the settings right over here. And now once you've done that, head into the privacy right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and look for the NSFW. You can also go ahead and look at it on the accounts tab or even on preferences. So as you can see, it says blur mature 18 plus images. I can just turn those off just like that. I hope this video made everything clear. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.